Waves of the chaos were rolling too deep. My wife in the hospital, tiny kids to keep. Left all alone, I was looking for a way. Read the whole book to see what it had to say. Found the blueprint written down in black and white. That's when I knew the water would make it right. I hit my knees and broke into prayer. Then I stood right up and stepped out in the air. With my boots on the ground, I started to stride, just walking the blacktop and looking for a ride. Through that old poison, straight into the creek, heading for the river and the peace that I see. Down by the river where I laid my burdens down, I watched my old sins sink to the bottom and drown. Raised up a new creature, open and set free. No more scars on the soul inside of me. Stepped out of the river, water dripping slow. Back to the same old house, but a brand new soul. Looked at my babies, the chaos was finally gone. Darkest night of my life turned into the dawn. Down by the river where I laid my burdens down, I watched my old sins sink to the bottom